Hi, today we will be analyzing Reliance Industries for its technicals, and we'll see how it matches with the fundamentals over weekly, daily, and monthly trends. So what I have here is the daily chart of Reliance. Um, you see, since the low in March, Reliance has been taking support at around this trend line here, which is close to the 20-day moving average. What we see here last week is we've made a flag formation at the higher end of this rally, which you can see here. This is the flag formation here. Let me quickly draw it up for you. Um, so yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is just you get the idea. This is the basic flag formation at the end of the rally here. What we can see here is on the Friday session, yesterday on the 14th of August, we see there was a sell-off. It took support at the 20-day moving average and then it closed slightly above it. The few days prior to that, you can see here, there's a big, we started off this week with a big bearish candle. Then we had a doji. Then we had two small candles here, one green and red, doesn't mean much. And then the last candle, we took support at the 20-day moving average, and then now we are nicely poised to see where the stock can go in the coming week. One thing to note is, if I look at the weekly chart, here we are again trailing this support line on the weekly, and we've closed with a bearish candle on the week here, which kind of took support at the support line here. Now the next week, if we start to trade below this support line, that is if we break 2090 and we start to trade lower than that and we end the week below this support line, then this trend seems to have run its course, and then we might begin to see a lower move here. Another thing to note here is the weekly volume. You see this volume here, the week ending 14th August. It's the lowest since maybe it's the lowest we've seen the whole of this year in terms of weekly volume. On the monthly, it's a similar move up with a bearish candle on a monthly charts. What do you see here? And now if we start trading below this support line on a monthly, we could see this trend reversal. Another thing to note here on a monthly chart is the volumes over the last 5-6 months. So this is February, March, April, May, June, July. So the volumes have been lower than the average volumes. Like they've been the lowest in years. If you can just look at the volume pattern previously for the stock. So this looks like a fake bear market rally, and with the US Nasdaq now showing some kind of weakness, fatigue, we should also see Reliance Industries come down, because now Reliance is not treated as an energy company in India. It's the FANG stock of India, if you may. So this coming week is going to be crucial, and a big bearish candle closing below this support line here on a monthly basis could have the stock turn and fall down. Another important fundamental news here is the AGR case, which is going in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has pulled up Reliance for having not paid the AGR fees while using the spectrum from Reliance Communications. That is certainly not priced in into the stock, and Reliance has been. mm, it was taking market cap valuations away from Vodafone Idea and Bharti Airtel in the past few weeks on the basis of this news. But now this has come to bite Reliance Industries too. So it could be crucial to see what this news could do to the stock on Monday, on the 17th of August, and the following week. Mm, Yeah, so this was the analysis for Reliance, technical analysis for Reliance Industries on a daily, weekly, and a monthly time frame. Um, the most important factor for me on this chart would be this volumes. Here on a monthly basis, lowest in years, and on a weekly basis, we've closed with a very, very low volume this last week. And a break below this trend line, below this support line here, that is a close below 2090 or lower for the coming week would potentially signal a downturn, and then a break below 2000 would signal a downturn um, over a medium term for the next 2 to 3 months. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I will see you on the next one.